Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing clever claws. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first off near the top and let's draw the top of the eyes. Let's draw an S-shaped curve up and over, and let's leave a gap and let's do the same on the right. Now underneath in the center, let's draw 2 lines down. And then underneath, let's add the nose. Let's start with the curve across, and then bring it down to a point underneath. Now to finish off the shape of the eyes, let's move back up to the top and let's draw a curve down. And then curve it back into the nose. Now let's move inside each of the eyes and let's draw an oval-shaped curve near the inside. And now let's color the rest of the eyes in black. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's move underneath and let's draw the mouth. Let's start on the bottom left here, next to the left eye, and let's draw a curve going outwards. And the same on the right. And then a curve across at the top. And then a larger curve underneath. Next, let's hop inside and let's add the teeth. Let's start with 2 angles down in the center. Now let's angle it back up on both sides. Then another curve down. And bring it back up to the top. Now underneath the sides here, let's draw another curve down. And then color both of the side sections in black. And that's it for the face. Now let's move out and let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start on the sides of the eyes and let's draw another curve on top of the mouth. And then a curve underneath for the chin. Now top on top and let's draw a curve up and down on both sides. Next on top, let's add the ears. Let's start with a curve up. And then let's curve it around and back down. And let's do the same thing inside. Now that we're done the ears, let's move up and let's draw the mane. On top in the center, let's draw a curve out. And another one out to the right. Then let's curve it back in at the ends. Now from both sides, let's curve it downwards. Then a small curve back up at the ends. Now let's curve it down again and up. And then 2 more curves coming down to a point. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. Let's start under the head and let's draw a curve down and bring it in, and the same on the right. Now let's hop in and let's draw another set of curves down towards the outside. Now let's hop inside the body and let's draw the crown. At the top in the center, let's draw a circle. Then let's angle it down and out underneath like this. Now let's draw an angled point up on both sides. And a circle on top of each point. Now let's hop to the bottom and let's close it off with a line across. Then let's bring it down on both sides and another line across to form a rectangle. Now underneath the crown, let's draw 2 lines down in the center. And that's it for the torso. Now let's move out and let's draw the arms. Let's start next to the body and let's draw angled lines down on both sides. And then curve it back in at the bottom. Now inside each of the arms, let's draw another curve across. Now let's hop down and let's draw the claws. Let's draw 3 V-shaped points underneath each of the arms. And that's it for the arms. Now let's move underneath and let's draw the legs. Underneath the body on the left, let's draw 2 angled lines down. And the same on the right side. And then close off the bottom of each leg with a curve. And lastly, for the legs, let's add another curve inside. And that's it for the legs. Now let's move up and let's add the tail. Next to the right arm, let's draw 2 curves out and up. And then close off the end. Now let's hop down slightly from the top and let's draw 2 curves coming up to a point. And that's it for Clever Claws. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!